bago ulit. Okay, what you think? No tuck in? Folded? Okay, hindi daw itataas. Sorry. Okay. Outfit number 2.
3.
Okay, 3. Ay, oo, ito. Oo. Ito. Ayan. Outfit number 4. Ay, ito, okay ito, baby. Outfit number 5. Care of lefties. Ang pinaka-press kong damit. So, ganito lang sana lahat lagi pag gumagala tayo eh. Diba? Kung ako lang masusunod, ito talagang gusto ko. Simple.
You're done.
Outfit number 6.